Okay, good day. This is Revolution FX Strategy speaking. And as you can see, this is our channel. And this week we started with a Euro GBP. As you can see, we took a sell there. And this is how the market reacted. As you can see, our stop loss is in position. And as you can see now on this one, so there is our stop loss zone, our entry there. And the same on this picture. Okay, and now let's see how the market did. Okay, so now after realizing that the market is still very bearish, okay, I added more pairs. And then as you can see, our stop loss is now below the entry, so which means now this trade is now a risk-free trade. Okay, so we're aiming for the next demand area, which is right at the bottom there. Okay, so I took off a few layers, and now I can say I took off most of the layers and left only a few to hold until the market reaches the demand area, which happens also to be our take profit. As you can see, there is our take profit there at the demand area. Okay, so the market fell all the way down and it hit our take profit. Okay, so now this is one of our students. He took this signal, and as you can see how the market performed. He made a lot of money on this trade. You see, it's a short video that he made. So the trade was very successful. Okay, and we moved now on the 5th. We took a sale on Nasdaq. As you can see, here's the signal there that was given. Okay, now here, that's where we placed our stop loss. As you can see with that line, it was at 13184.86. That was our stop loss area right there. Okay, and together with Nasdaq, we took German 30. As you can see, there's a signal right there, and that is where we placed our stop loss right there. Okay, and let's see how the market did. Nasdaq was in deep profit, and then we had to move our stop loss to minimize the risk so that it gets closer to the entry zone. Okay, just like you see on the picture here, we had to reduce the stop loss and then move it right above our entry area. So that was at 13133.7. Okay, and German 30 also was in deep profit. We did the same. Okay, now these are the results from the students. Okay, so here German 30 reached the first demand area. So when the market reaches the demand zone, it is bound to either retrace before it actually gains the momentum to go past that demand zone. So here we see that German 30 is at inside the first demand zone. Okay, and Nasdaq was approaching the nearest demand area. As you can see here, this is the first demand area for Nasdaq, which is at 13013.4. Okay, so now when Nasdaq reached the first demand zone, we moved our stop loss to break even. Okay, as you can see right here from above. So because Nasdaq has now reached the first demand area, we have to move the stop loss to positive stop loss so that the market is at a break even. If the market decides to retrace and go all the way up, we do not lose our capital. So the capital is now secure. This is now a risk-free trade. Okay, now Nasdaq went past the demand area. It cruised right through the demand area. So now what we do, we move again our stop loss to be above the demand area, because Nasdaq has successfully breached this demand area. So for it to breach it easily again going up, it will be a mission. So we move our stop loss and we place it above the demand area. So Nasdaq will keep bouncing below here before gaining the momentum to move again to the next demand area, which is at 12868.5. Okay, the same thing we did with German 30, as you can see on the picture here below. Okay, so all in all, that is how we did this week. It has been a very productive week. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.